Hi, this is a recipe video on how to make the braised chicken breast with artichoke ragout using the New Wave everyday pan and stock pot. First, begin by making the chicken broth. Add chicken bones to the preheated stock pot and sear all the surfaces of the bones. Add enough water to submerge the bones and bring the water to a boil. Let the broth boil for about 2 to 3 hours. When the broth is ready, preheat the pan to 425 degrees. While the pan is preheating, season the chicken breast with salt and pepper. When the pan is hot, add oil. Dredge the chicken breast with flour and add it to the pan. Sear the chicken breast for about 7 minutes on each side, looking for a golden color. Then, add artichoke and cherry tomatoes. Add the broth to the pan until about halfway up, and then cover the pan with the lid. Bring the heat down to 275 degrees and let the chicken cook for about 15 minutes. At the last 2 minutes, add broccoli florets and put the lid back on. When the cook is finished, plate the chicken. Next, season the broth. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and stir the broth into a reduction. Spoon the sauce and vegetables over the chicken. The braised chicken breast with artichoke ragout is ready to serve. Enjoy.
New Wave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.